So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of General AC in great detail and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is mode. The mode button has 4 functions. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode on the remote. Currently the mode is in auto. Currently the mode is in cool. Currently the mode is in dry. Currently the mode is in fan. Now I will tell you about the mode in detail in very simple words. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own requirement. If you feel that the cooling of the AC is less, then you can increase or decrease the cooling with the temperature up-down button. The next mode after that is cool. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work and the AC will cool in this mode. And in cool mode, the AC will cool according to your convenience. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So, using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan mode, the AC will not cool. Only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use the fan mode. After that, the next button is fan speed. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 5 speeds. Currently the fan speed is auto. Currently the fan speed is high. Currently the fan speed is medium. Currently the fan speed is low. Currently the fan speed is quiet. Quiet means fan speed is silent. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. After that, the next button is the temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower its temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 18 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will go on increasing and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you want only cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it at 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is powerful. Generally, when we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the powerful button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you need quick cooling, then you can use the powerful button. In this, the room cools down very quickly. After that, the next button is sleep. Please note that before using sleep you have to set the present time in the remote, which I will tell you later. Pressing the sleep button silences the AC and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have any problem in sleeping due to excessive cold. You can also use timing in it. You can also set the timing from 1 hour to 10 hours so that you can decide how long you want to use sleep. For example, suppose I want to sleep for 4 hours. Then I will set 4 hours and then press the sleep button again so that sleep will be set. The next button is vertical swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. With this button, you can manually use the swing, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there. The next button is swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. With this button, you can manually use the swing, and wherever you want to stop the inner swing flap, by pressing this button, your inner swing flap will stop there. The next button is swing. This button is for using the outer swing and inner swing of the AC automatically. Using the swing button will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. The next button is timer mode. To use timer and sleep you have to set the present time. Only then you can use the timer and sleep function. To set the present time, you have to press the clock adjust button of the remote with the help of a pin. On pressing the clock adjust button, the time started blinking in the remote. Now you can see that the present time in my mobile is 1:27 pm. So now I will set it to 1:27 pm using the up and down buttons of the timer of the remote. Now I have set the present time in the remote. Now again I will press the clock adjust button so that the present time will be set. After that, by pressing the timer mode button, the timer off time is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically at 5 am. So now I will set it to 5 am using the up and down buttons of the timer on the remote. Now I have added the timer off time in the remote. Now press the timer mode button so that the timer will be set off. After that, by pressing the timer mode button, the timer on time is displayed. To turn on the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer on. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically at 10 pm. So now I will set it to 10 pm using the up and down buttons of the timer on the remote. Now I have added the timer on time in the remote. Now press the timer mode button so that the timer will be set on. Now you can see the timer on and timer off time blinking in the remote which we had set. Next button is test run. Test run button is for technicians use. This button is for checking AC and turning on outdoor directly. The next button is reset. If your remote is not working properly or the buttons are not working properly, then by pressing the reset button the AC remote will be reset and the AC remote will start working in a completely new way. If you understood the information given by me, then please like the video and subscribe my channel.